Today we're looking into an essential topic for homeowners in England and Wales, understanding Part P of the building regulations. This is your ultimate guide to ensuring electrical safety at home. So let's get started. When it comes to keeping a home safe, electrical installations play a crucial role. Part P of the building regulations is the cornerstone standard for electrical safety in domestic properties. Whether you're planning a new circuit installation, a complete rewire, or just updating your circuits, understanding and complying with Part P is absolutely key. Let's see why it matters. Part P isn't just another regulation. It's a life-saving measure. Here's why it's so important. Safety first. The primary aim is to minimize risks of injuries and fires caused by unsafe electrical installations. It's all about protecting you and your loved ones. Compliance with standards. All electrical work must meet the standards outlined in BS 7671. Ensuring uniformity and safety across installations. What does Part P cover? Part P distinguishes between two main types of electrical work. Notifiable work. This includes major electrical work like wiring a new circuit, a full house rewire, replacing a fuse box to a new consumer unit, or work in special locations like bathrooms and gardens. This work must be reported to the local authority's building control. Minor works. These are smaller alterations to existing circuits that don't involve new special locations. For homeowners and landlords, ensure that any electrical work complies with Part P by hiring competent electricians who can self-certify their work. For electricians, they must be well versed in these regulations and often should belong to a Part P scheme. For example, Bright Spark Electrical Services is registered with the NIC, EIC, and handles compliance certificates and submissions for you, so you don't have to. The certification process. Notifiable work requires certification by a registered electrician who will handle the paperwork and notify your local authority. You'll then receive a certificate of compliance. Minor work. Typically certified with a minor work certificate. For the homeowner, here are the steps to ensure compliance with Part P. Hire competent electricians who can self-certify. Keep records of all certificates and paperwork related to the electrical work. So in conclusion, understanding and complying with Part P is crucial for any homeowner or landlord planning electrical work. It ensures safety and compliance with standards, protecting both property and lives. So next time you plan any electrical work, will you make safety your top priority by hiring a qualified electrician? Let's ensure your home is safe and sound. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.